start with the well-known myth in industrial networks, and this is that they are isolated and not connected to the rest of the network, and therefore considered not really vulnerable, but we are connecting them more and more, and that's why first step is to do segmentation. So lower the area of the impact. Second step is when you have the device that does segmentation, then this device should be capable of deep packet inspection. One important thing in the OT network is that deep packet inspection can check and recognize OT protocols like Profinet, Modbus TCP, MMS, and so on. The third part I would recommend is if you are using legacy devices and legacy OS, then you should probably invest in advanced cybersecurity. And these are features like intrusion prevention and intrusion detection systems that work based on recognizing patterns of the malicious software.
The usual requirements for a field security device are firewall, NAT, VPN, routing, switching, as well as full gigabit ports. As a field application engineer working with customers on projects, whether in the product evaluation phase or when the solution is already deployed, one of the more common additional requirements I have encountered is for the product to have a responsive, intuitive configuration interface. That's why Moxa's new secure router comes with not only advanced cybersecurity features, but with a user-friendly web GUI and quick settings as well. The device provides a convenient 4-step configuration for the networking functionality, and quick automation profile gives engineers a simple way to configure firewall filtering specifically for automation protocols such as Modbus, Profinet, Ethernet IP, and others.
Creating a future-proof industrial cybersecurity control is an intrinsic challenge. On one hand, you have to meet longevity requirements of industrial applications. On the other hand, you have to face ever-changing cybersecurity threats in the future. How did we do this? Well, of course, we chose again a rugged design, added a very performing CPU, being 10 to 15 times faster than our most performing firewall today. On the other hand, we introduce a cybersecurity concept relying on security modules, which will extend the functionality of the device in the future. You will be able to detect additional industrial protocols, and I'm proud to announce that in the first half of next year, we will add an IPS module on this device. And that says, this will turn this firewall into a next generation firewall. Relying on signature-based scanning technologies, it will detect malware and ransomware. Eventually, this device will be IEC 62443 certified. So we believe with this, we have created a powerful, reliable, and future-proof platform for your applications. Thanks for your attention.